I'm gonna wait till the state police. Oh, at 4 o'clock I'll lock the doors anyway, since we're closed to public access after 4. So
Yep, after 4 o'clock you can.
Is it after 4 or 4:30?
4 o'clock.
Because I can call your number right now. It says 4:30
Why
p.m.
everybody's leaving right now, huh?
Okay, and if that's true, I'll head out. But
all right, have a nice day.
Hold on, because I'm gonna offer you one thing here.
Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are at the Murray Center in Centralia, Illinois, and what you are about to see is shocking. A government director explicitly tells a citizen he does not care about the Constitution of the United States. This footage comes from the incredible channel Odd Man Audits. He stands his ground when police try to trap him into leaving a public lobby. Go subscribe to him, link in the description, and tell him we sent you. Watch closely how they lie about the law. You will definitely have an opinion on this.
You hear about the roof?
No.
What are you here for?
What do you mean the roof?
Oh, you're taking pictures. What are you taking pictures of?
Oh, I'm recording a video.
For who?
Just for myself. Is that okay?
Are you employed here?
No, ma'am.
No, then you can't do that.
What do you mean? I can't do what?
You can't come out here filming and making videos.
Why not?
Because this is private property and
Private property? This isn't a state-run facility?
well, it's a state-run facility, but I mean, you know, it's private information.
Oh, so
You can't be out here filming individuals out and about. And
oh, I wasn't looking to film any individuals. What's your name?
I'm Jeannie Haynes. I'm chief security.
Okay.
So, I mean, you would have to come in and ask to fill out forms and get permission to do this.
So this is not a publicly accessible?
No. No.
Not at all.
This is considered a medical facility.
No, yeah, right. But this is the administrative office, right?
Yeah.
This
But
location.
there are residents that come in and out of here too.
Yeah.
So.
But this is
And that's
publicly accessible.
That's violating their rights. I mean, yeah, you can.
The security guard incorrectly cites the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, HIPAA. This federal law regulates covered entities, like doctors and hospitals, from releasing data. It does not prohibit a citizen from filming what is visible in a publicly accessible lobby under the First Amendment.
How's
be out
that?
here filming.
How is that violating their rights?
They have HIPAA that's a HIPAA violation.
Yeah. So you're HIPAA certified? You're
Yes.
HIPAA trained?
Yes.
So you would know that the onus is on you, and I can't violate HIPAA. I'm not. The onus is not on me. I'm not the protector of any private information.
Right, that you shouldn't be out here on this grounds if you're not employed here or if you don't have permission to be here.
So no members, I mean, I have permission to be out here, but no members of the public are allowed out here, or?
I mean, you come in here and you sign in as a visitor. Did you come in and sign in?
I haven't been inside yet. You met me at the door.
Well, I mean, they came and got me because they saw you out here filming.
Oh.
And that's something you can't be doing.
Oh, it's my understanding that I'm allowed to, but...
What's your name?
Matt.
Matt what?
I'm not sure that I want to give it right now.
Well, I mean, I can call the police and we can take care of it with them.
I don't think that's necessary. I'm not telling you
Well,
to
you
or
don't want
to
to
not
give me
to.
your name and
I just gave you my name, ma'am.
Matt. That's all I know.
Yeah.
There's how many thousands of Matts around?
I feel like that's courteous enough. You can call me Matt. I understand that you're talking to me.
Yeah. So you can come in and sign in as a visitor and
perfect.
talk to administration if you would like, but
I mean, I'm not sure that I was necessarily looking to talk to anybody. I'm just looking to document in the publicly accessible areas and file a FOIA request here. You ever have anybody file?
As far as I'm concerned, we don't have public accessible other than coming in, signing in, and but if you want to sign it, I'll go get an administrator.
Sure.
It's right here.
He's on a call. So we're both on a call.
It's right in the second page.
I heard. My center, switchboard, I heard your phone. Why are you going back to look at logs?
She just told me that I needed to fill out the second page.
Oh, okay.
She said the first and second page. I was trying to see what was on there. Do you mind if I ask your name?
I do mind.
Do you work here?
Hi, I'm Bob Mason. I'm the Center Director. Can I help you?
Bob? Hi, my name's Matt.
Okay.
No, I'm not sure that I was needing any help. I'm possibly just looking to document in the publicly accessible areas and possibly file a FOIA request shortly.
There's no public access.
The director attempts to rewrite the definition of a public forum. While the government can place reasonable time, place, and manner restrictions, they cannot issue a blanket ban on First Amendment activities in an administrative office simply by claiming state property is not public.
Areas on Murray Center. It's state property. There's no public access areas. Everything here is protected. All these people's rights are protected, and there can't be any. And if you're filming right now, you can turn that off.
I am filming right
Okay,
now.
turn it off. Then you don't have my permission to film.
Well, but this is a public. This is
Would
public.
you call 911 and have the Centralia Police Department come out here?
I don't think that's necessary.
It is necessary because I've given you a request not to film. You're going to go ahead and film anyway.
But
So
I'm not in any restricted area, sir.
This is a restricted area.
This is an administrative building,
This is
correct?
still a restricted area. You don't get to film in here.
Right.
So I'm just informing you.
But the door is not locked, so how is that restricted?
The door's not. My explanation, you probably need to leave the property. That'd be my thing to you. You have no business out here.
Well, if you guys are calling the cops, I don't want to seem like I'm running.
Well, you can have a seat out here and wait for them then. That'd be great. You gonna stay with him till they get here?
So am I to sign in or no?
No. Not at all.
Don't sign in at
No,
all?
sir.
Okay.
You're not granted access to the property,
Okay.
especially for purposes that are not legal to the state of Illinois.
Okay.
I'm trying to help you, but you don't help.
I mean, I do have the law in my hand. I would have been glad to have a discussion and reason with somebody, but I mean, if you guys are calling the cops, I don't think that's very reasonable. I'm not doing anything,
Gray t-shirt.
you
Well, you're
know.
recording without permission.
But this is public. This is a publicly accessible
This
area.
is a private state facility.
A private state facility. Okay.
Private state-run facility.
Now that's a good one. I've never heard that one before. A private state facility. I mean, the things that these public servants come up with just so they can get their ways and not be recorded and being put on blast with their unprofessionalism is insane, guys.
Okay.
For developmentally disabled who.
This is a
have
branch of the
HIPAA rights.
Department of Human Services. Is that correct?
Yep.
Okay. Well, I guess we just have to wait for the police. I'm not entirely sure why they got called. I wasn't being hostile or anything. I thought we were having a
Well, I don't think
conversation.
I'm being hostile either.
I didn't call the police on you, did I? I was having a conversation with you whenever you wanted to engage in a conversation. And, you know, I feel like we could have handled it like adults, but
So what is your purpose for coming out here wanting to film?
well, because I want to document in the publicly accessible areas and I want to file a FOIA request, which are both rights protected by state law and the Constitution of the United States. Like I said, I've got
think you will probably have to do that through the Department of Human Services Secretary, which is in Springfield.
well, time will tell.
We're not allowed to have the media out here or anything without permission from Springfield.
Okay.
Well, I mean, this is for employees. It's not for the public knowledge.
But if a visitor sign-in's right there, then what's to stop anybody with a photographic memory per se to glance over and see what's out in the open for everybody to see?
Can you just take a seat?
I would rather not sit right now. I do appreciate the invite, though.
Well, then quit filming the plaques.
Is that protected information too?
Well, maybe they don't want you to know they're on the plaque. I don't know.
The presidents of Murray Parents Association Incorporated, are they ashamed to be on the plaque? Is that a shameful, it's not an honor to be
No,
presented up
I
here?
wouldn't say.
The Murray Center facility directors, are they ashamed to be on the plaque in the front office?
Probably not.
It's for February, it's for you, but I don't know why we don't.
It's almost like a commemorative for anybody that would walk in and see it, right?
Probably.
You do not have permission to film me. I'm not giving you any permission, verbal or written. You have no permission to film me or anybody else on this campus.
Well, at this point, I'm just recording for my safety. I don't feel very safe. I don't feel like you guys are being very reasonable.
I'm being reasonable. You're the one not being reasonable.
No, I think you've escalated your tone, and I feel like you've escalated the situation by calling the
No,
police.
You're insulting, and you are condescending and you're demanding for things that are
Refuse to
not
give
even.
us your full name.
Yeah, you come on the property, you don't even offer ID or anything.
Well, I mean, you're on the property. Would you offer me your ID?
I work
We've
here,
had background
and I'm the
checks and been
director
fingerprinted.
Okay.
Which you're about to enjoy that feeling of getting fingerprinted. Because if you don't leave here, I'm gonna press charges for trespassing.
Okay.
So just let you know. And you can keep that running all you want to.
So is that your
No, that's
express?
not permission.
That's,
No.
well, you just told me to keep it running as much as I
Because you're
want.
being obstinate about it, so
You guys are confusing. You tell me to come in, sign in. You tell me not to be here. You tell me you don't have permission. No, I do
we
have
try to be
permission.
nice to people that want to cooperate, but when people don't want to cooperate, then of course we see that there's a problem, and that's a trigger that says, well, we've got to protect the people here, not only the facility, but everybody else. You don't get to wander around the facility and take whoever you want to, like you're doing right now, which we've asked you not to multiple times, and you keep doing it.
Mr. Chumley.
So you know this guy?
Yeah.
Okay. He's filming on state property?
He's doing he's doing an audit.
No, he's not doing an audit. He hasn't identified himself. He just came in here and wanted to start filming. We don't
He was
allow
walking
any.
around out here filming before he even
We
came to
don't
the
allow
building.
any film.
I did tell him my name. I said Matt.
Okay.
So
They refused to give me his last name.
he needs to vacate the property, and he needs to give up his non-permission filming that he's done already.
Do you guys have investigators here?
Yeah.
Okay. Chat with you guys on the side real quick.
Is your body cam rolling?
It is. Same with this.
Cool. Thanks a lot.
You want to go in here?
Yeah, sure.
You want to stand?
Oh, sorry.
The guy was rude, obstinate, and totally unprofessional.
I asked
And asked
him
for
to
his
say
name,
his
he wouldn't
name.
give it.
He did this at the DHS office and Secretary of State. He's sued as the First Amendment Auditing. Basically, if it's like a state-owned property, kind of like our CPD lobby. He can come in as long as it's a lobby and just people wait. Come to find out that he can sit there and film now where there's sensitive areas or stuff he's not restricted access to, like offices and beyond, he can't go to.
Well, this whole thing's
He was trying to
sensitive area.
film sign-in sheets, and I tried to explain to him, these people have rights. You can't just come in, they're protected by HIPAA. You can't just come in here and start taking pictures of people.
If he would have been respectful, if he would have actually provided information, then we may have let him sit out here and do his little filming thing or whatever. But he is not walking on the property. He's not walking around. He cannot. It's a state-owned property. If I've got to call ISP, I can do that. I guarantee you they're not going to take the same view. It's not a fact about being a First Amendment or trying to hide anything. It's a fact he's rude and he's not being very cooperative whenever we ask him for information.
I gotcha. Yeah, it's
I'll file
We have
charges.
to protect the individual's rights.
nope, I get it. I'm gonna get my supervisor on the horn because this is the exact same scenario we've had a couple other times, and but those times we couldn't kick him out of a state-owned facility. He had a right to be in the lobby.
More of a medical facility.
Yeah.
I mean, he can't go into like a hospital and start, or a nursing home and start taking pictures of people who are in those homes.
Well, I'm gonna call my supervisor. I'll be right back with you guys.
All right,
okay?
man. Thanks.
Okay. I talked to my supervisor and I called the Clinton County State's Attorney's Office. They're on the side that as long as he's not disrupting business in the lobby, he can record.
He is disrupting because he's recording people, and that's a HIPAA violation. Anybody that comes in the doors here may be coming in to see a patient, or maybe it's different than a public aid office. We're not governed by the same rules. We're governed under a whole different set of rules as a state facility. There's only 7 of us in the whole state.
I got you.
He wants to stand outside by the highway and film. That he can have all the time he wants to, but not in the building. He's disrupting it now.
Okay.
I'm going back to my office.
I'm going to go on the advice of my supervisor and the state's attorney. If he wants to stay, I'm not going to remove him. He's just here to test you guys is all. If you guys want to call ISP,
I already did.
okay, have at it. But me and the other officer are going to head out. Wish you guys well, okay?
Thank you. Appreciate it, man.
Hey there. It's okay.
Sorry, I was waiting for a fax.
Ready to go?
Didn't come through
Right
yet.
here.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
All right. Take care, Matt.
Have a good one.
Just walked through the place without signing in.
This is an administrative office.
Hey, Jeannie, call the chief for you. You know the chief over here. I want to talk to him. Is that possible? Yeah. Why are you coming down the hallway? You're not supposed to be down here.
Is this a publicly
No, it's
accessible
not.
area?
No, it's not. As a matter of fact, I'm getting ready to close the building and close the whole campus because you're here.
Well, that doesn't seem very reasonable.
I'm not trying to be reasonable. I'm not being
You're
reasonable.
not trying to be reasonable.
No, you're not.
Okay.
So as you can see there, Odd Man Audit is taking his tour around the public hallways, taking video and picture like he has a right to do. And guess what? Unfortunately, we got more company that arrives to the scene.
Sergeant.
Uh-huh.
How's it
So,
going?
what are we doing here?
I'm not sure. What
are you doing?
what am I doing? I'm just accessing the publicly accessible areas as a member of the public.
Okay. You're not going into people's rooms and stuff like that?
Nope. Have I? Have I went into anybody's room? Nope. I've been in the lobby and in the publicly accessible hallways. Haven't entered any offices, haven't entered
Were
any
you out
rooms.
front?
Was I out
Did
front?
you film out front?
I did.
And did you film any of the residents that were out front?
I couldn't tell you who's a resident or not
That's
because
right,
I'm
you
not.
can't. So if you filmed a resident, right there is a HIPAA violation.
I'm gonna ask you to ask him to de-escalate. He's been
Oh, get out
over
of my
the
face.
well.
Golly.
See, I'm trying to stay calm and reasonable, but he just wants to keep escalating it, sir. And
He's been given no permission to film. He has no permission to film me. He has no permission to film any other employee on this place. I've told him that repeated times, and this is the reaction we get. He refused to give his name at first. He's not given any ID.
I
He's
gave
not
him my
identified
name.
himself as any.
I gave him my name.
Okay.
My name's Matt, if you haven't gathered that. Officer McJader already came and left. So what was the consensus there? That I was okay because they didn't haul me
I don't
off in
think I don't
Carson?
think it's okay at all. We don't think it's okay. Then our people that my supervisors don't think it's okay. So if you guys can't do something with the
Changing operating hours on the fly to target a specific individual is a form of retaliation for exercising protected rights. By arbitrarily enforcing a 4 p.m. close time when the recorded line says 4:30 p.m., the official risks a civil rights lawsuit, Section 1983.
I'm going to wait till the state police. Oh, at 4 o'clock, I'll lock the doors anyway, since we're closed to public access after 4. So
Yeah, after 4 o'clock, you can,
Is it after 4 or 4:30?
4 o'clock.
Because I can call your number right now that says 4:30
Why
p.m.
everybody's leaving right now, huh?
Okay, and if that's true, I'll head out. But
All right, have a nice day.
hold on, because I'm gonna offer you one thing here.
47823.
Murray Developmental Center of the Illinois Department of Human Services. Please listen to the following options.
Just hear me out.
These will connect you to the services you may
He's going
need.
to say that the
For
certain times on there
information about our
are
office
listed at that.
location,
Can you please let this play?
Sign in and out.
Press 1. The office is located at 1535 West McCord Street, Centralia, Illinois 62801. The office is open 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Monday through Friday.
Well, today it's going to close at 4.
He already admitted to not wanting to be reasonable, sir. That's not very reasonable. You said that a minute ago.
You've already filmed without permission. You filmed employees without permission. You filmed residents without permission.
The Constitution of the United
I don't
States
care
gives
about
me
that right
permission,
now.
sir.
I don't care about that. I care about the safety and security.
This is the most damning moment. A public servant explicitly disregarding the Supremacy Clause. Every public official takes an oath to uphold the Constitution. Stating, "I don't care," strips him of qualified immunity in a court of law.
Privacy of these individuals and our employees.
Okay. Do you mind going outside so I can talk to him?
With all due respect to
You don't. I'm asking you just to be.
and I'm really not trying to be disrespectful, but I'm here to exercise my rights, sir.
I get that.
And
Can you just step outside so I can talk to them, and then whatever, I'll talk to you out there.
Is your body camera on?
Yeah, it's right here.
I feel like it's going to be a trap to get me, not by you, but these guys are going to take it as an opportunity to lock me out, and the
Yeah,
building's
that's-
open till 4:30.
I'm not doing anything
No. No, he never until. Just
So
go ahead
am
and step out.
I being ordered to leave?
I'm asking you to step outside so I can talk to them. Just be courteous so I can talk to them and try to get this de-escalated, okay? So go ahead and step out there for me just for 1 second, and then you can come back in and do your thing, okay?
But respectfully, and I'm really not trying to disrespect you, officer, but sergeant, but I have the right to be here, and if I'm not being ordered to leave, I'd rather...
I'm not disagreeing.
The sergeant uses a consensual encounter tactic to remove the auditor from the protected lobby. Under the Fourth Amendment, unless he is detained or arrested, the auditor has no legal obligation to move. Stepping out often leads to being trespassed or locked out.
With you, okay? So can you just step out there just for 1 second so I can talk to them?
I'd rather not if I'm not being ordered to. Like what Officer Jader did is he stepped into his office to make him feel more comfortable to have a conversation. It's all being recorded anyway, so I don't necessarily see the difference.
That's fine.
And it's really not any disrespect to you.
Okay.
Today, we witnessed a public director explicitly state that he does not care about the Constitution of the United States. That moment is exactly why we are here. When they forget their oath, it is our duty to remind them. Do not let their intimidation silence your rights. If you learned something new about the First Amendment today, or if you have ever faced a tyrant with a badge, share your story in the comments below. We read them all. Hit that subscribe button, not just to watch, but to prepare. Arm yourself with knowledge, because in this country, freedom is not a request, it is a demand. This is ID Refusal Cam, where your rights are the only ID you need. Stay safe, stay recording, and never surrender your rights.